Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will be showing you everything you need to know before investing on the Keble app, and also I will get to show you guys some of the features on the Keble investing platform. Now, in case you don't know, if you are new to my YouTube channel, some weeks ago I made a video on how to invest in real estate on the Keble app with as low as 5,000 naira or $10, and you can get up to 30% ROI on your money. Now, if you don't watch that video, the link will be in the description below. Kindly check it out after this video. It is one of the best ways you can invest in real estate with little amount of money. Now, before I go on to these important things you need to know, if you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Femi Olaniyan and I make videos on personal finance, cryptocurrencies, the stock market, and how to make money online. So if you love content like this, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you. Now let's move to the 8 important things you need to know before investing on the Keble app. And also, in the course of this video, if you have any questions, kindly drop them in the comment section below. Now, the first thing you need to know if you want to invest on the Keble platform is that you have access to foreign investments. Now, what this means is that you can invest in real estate properties outside Nigeria. Now, if you come on that listings right here, you see that these are the different properties you can invest in on the Keble platform. Now, if you check out this first property, you can see that it's located at COWRYWISE in United Kingdom. The next one is also in Southport in United Kingdom. And you can see for this one, Lagos, Nigeria, Abuja, Nigeria. And if you scroll down, you see that you even have another property in Accra in Ghana. So you can see that you can invest in different properties, not only in Nigeria, but outside Nigeria and even outside Africa. So that's the first important thing you need to know when you're investing on the Keble platform. So it's not only about Nigerian properties, you can also invest in foreign properties. Now, number 2 is minimum investment. Now, every property on the Keble platform has its own minimum amount that you can invest in. Now, if you check out this first property right here called the Ivy House KFU, you can see that the minimum investment is $10. What this means is that the minimum amount of money you can invest in this property is $10. You can see it right here at the right side of the screen. If you scroll down to the next investment or the next property, you see that this one is called the White House KFE and the minimum investment is $1,000. So you can see that it's different from the first one, which is just $10, and this one is $1,000. If you scroll down again, the next property, the minimum investment for Lekki Pride 1 in Lagos, Nigeria is 50,000 naira. So for this property, the minimum amount you can invest in is 50,000 naira. Now the next one is Hilton City KFL in Abuja, Nigeria, and the minimum investment is 5,000 naira. So you'll be seeing the minimum investment for the other properties on the platform. So every property has its own minimum investment. So you go for the one you are able to afford. So if you have like $10 you want to invest, you can invest in this first one. If you can invest as high as $1,000, you can invest in the second property right here. So that's the second important thing you need to know before you start investing on the platform. Number 3 is that you have different returns on investment. Now, just like how you have the different minimum investment, there are also different return on investment on each property. Now, if you check out this first property right here, you see that the ROI is 12%. That does not mean that for the other properties you'll be earning 12%. No, this 12% is only meant for this first property right here. If you scroll down to the second property, you see that the ROI is 15%. So that means that for this property called the White House KFE, you'll be earning 15% ROI on your money. And the next one is Lekki Pride 1. You can see that the ROI is 28%. So you can see that this one is higher than the others. So you'll be earning 28% ROI on your money right here. And the next one, which is Hilton City KFL in Abuja, you see that you can earn 26.5% ROI on your money. And there are also different ROIs for the other investments. So the ROI you get depends on the property you are investing in. And one thing you need to know is that this ROI is for 1 year. So that means if you have 12% ROI, it means you earn 12% in 1 year. If you have 15% ROI, you earn 15% in 1 year. If you have 30% ROI, you earn 30% in 1 year. For number 4, the next important thing you need to know before you invest in is that you have something called Keble token on the Keble platform. Now, whenever you want to invest on any property on the Keble platform, you have something called token. Now, let me show you that. So let's say you want to invest in this first property, the Ivy House KFU. You come here to you have see more and tap on it. And then you tap on invest now right here. Once you tap on invest now, you'll be asked to enter the number of Keble tokens you want to use to invest right here. So whatever you're entering right here is the Keble token. Now on the Keble platform, one Keble token is equal to $10 and it is equal to 7,280 naira as at the time of making this video. So if you come here and enter, let's say you enter like, let's say 10 tokens right here, that's 10 Keble tokens. So 10 Keble tokens is equal to $100 and it is equal to 72,800. So you should know that you'll be entering Keble tokens whenever you want to invest. So know the conversion rate. One Keble token is equal to $10 and it is equal to 7,280 naira as at the time of making this video. Number 5 is that you can know the number of investors on the properties you are investing in. So if you come to your portfolio right here, you'll be able to see the number of investors that are investing in the properties in your portfolio. So you can see that for this investment in my portfolio, there are 15 investors right here. So that means 15 different people are investing in this property. So you can also know that, okay, maybe more people are investing in this property, or maybe the number of investors is going down. So you'll be able to know on the platform. Number 6 is the refer and earn feature on the app. Now on the app, you can be able to refer your friends to Keble to make money. If you come to the right side of the screen right here, you see where you have get 1,000 naira cashback for every referral. This means that you're going to be getting 1,000 naira for every person you refer to the Keble platform. So this means that if you are referring like 5 of your friends to Keble, you'll be getting 5,000 naira. If you are referring like 10 or 20, you'll be getting 10,000 naira to 20,000 naira on the Keble platform. So if you want to make extra cash for yourself, you can refer your friends to the Keble platform. And number 7 is the gifting feature on the app. So if you look below the refer and earn feature, you see that you can send Keble tokens to your friends and loved ones on the Keble platform. So you can see what you have here: gift a loved one, put a smile on the faces of your friends and loved ones by giving them a Keble token. This means that, let's say you can send Keble tokens to your friends that are also on Keble. So let's say for example you want to send like maybe $10 to someone. All you just need to do is to just send one Keble token to that person. So that is another cool feature on the Keble platform. And number 8 is where you have the FAQs, which means the frequently asked questions. So if you come to the menu at the left side of the screen, you tap on where you have talk to us right here. If you tap on where you have talk to us, it will take you to the FAQs on the platform. Now, if you have any kind of question, that maybe anything bothering you about the Keble platform, or you want to know more about the Keble platform, you can come to this page right here to see answers to any kind of questions that you have. So if you have like general questions like what is Keble, why should you invest through Keble, what valid ID is acceptable on Keble, and so on, you can check them out right here. If you want to ask questions on investment, so you tap on investment right here. You've seen the different questions on investment. You can see, can I make investment or own property alone through Keble? Or how do I monitor my investment? Is there a limit to the number of real estate properties I can invest in? You'll be seeing answers to all these questions on this page. Or if you have questions on payment, maybe depositing money or withdrawing your money, you can see the questions here. And for questions on safety and security of your account, you can come here and see the answers to the questions. So you can see, how secure is my money? Does Keble have an office? What is OTP? So if you have all these kind of questions, you can come to this page and get your answers on this page. So these are the 8 important things you need to know before investing on the Keble platform. And if you don't know how to get started with the Keble platform, I have a video on how to register and verify your Keble account. And also I have another video on how to invest on the Keble platform and how to use the Keble app. The links to these videos will be in the description below. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.